Today we are going to make a Caribbean roti. This wrap is consisted of two main ingredients. It's all about the method and the timing. Saute for approximately 5 minutes on each side. Cover for 10 minutes. Uncover for evaporation. Leave it uncovered and let it evaporate until it dries. Some people bone their chicken prior to putting it in the pot, but I prefer to bone it after. And once it's shredded, I return it to the mixture and then it is ready to be folded. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Till next time!